Can you say the code to type the eligibility, to check the eligibility for voter to vote, to cast our vote? Hello. Start to say that. What is the code for?
Print of
We got print of yes,
double quote.
voter eligibility. Eligibility checking program. Okay, just we are giving like naming like that. Okay, so this is the program to check whether you are eligible for to cast your vote or not. Okay, so what is the criteria we are getting? We are setting that to check whether they are eligible or not. In what basis we are saying? Hello, what basis we are saying whether we
Age, sir.
age? So we need to get the age, no? So can you say the statement?
Age equal to
Age equal to, age is a variable. Yeah, age equal to, it may be integer. We will get int of input of, then enter
enter your age.
your age. Okay, so likewise we are just adding it. Okay, close the bracket. Okay, then condition, if age greater than or equal to 18 means colon. Okay, then what is the print statement? You are
Eligible to vote.
very good. Eligible to poll your vote or to cast your vote. Okay, cast vote. Okay, just okay. We are just giving a message. Else part, how to derive else part? Else, suppose the condition is false means else colon, what is the print statement? Not eligible. Okay, you are not eligible. You got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine, fine. So this was the program to check it. Okay, I will save this program. Just a minute. Okay, in desktop, I'm just saving. It is a sample. Okay, sample 1.11.py. I'm just saving it. I'm running this program. So it is asking the age. See, voter eligibility checking program. I'm just entering the age. It is 78. Okay, then you are eligible. Okay, fine. Suppose we are entering it again another one age. I'm running again the program. Okay, I'm just entering the 12. Okay, so you are not eligible. The program is perfectly it's working. Okay, so this is the program. Now I'm going to tell. Yesterday we have dealt on program. The robot program we have dealt. Okay, then checking the enter number is odd number or even number, that we have made the program. Now eligibility checking program, that also we made it, isn't it? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Correct, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me, now it is a time for this is the syntax for if else, the second part. Okay, now we are going to the if else part, that is elif part. I will show the theoretical content to you to understand more. You can see now we are going to deal about the third point, that is if with elif. Okay, multiple conditions, sir. You may ask that, sir, only one condition only we given. Suppose we are giving multiple conditions. Okay, if you want to give multiple conditions means, then what is the thing? We may go for the if with elif statement. Okay, that is the thing. Okay, let me write the program. Okay, so to find the greatest among the three numbers, okay, we need to get the three number, and from among that we have to check which is greatest number. Have you understand the concept? Suppose we are giving the number, I will tell that I will give the number 10, 20, 30. Which is greatest number? Hello.
30.
30
Third.
is the greatest number. How you are saying? What is the concept behind your answer? How you are saying the answer? I mean, I'm asking that. How you are saying it? We are comparing, no? Am I right? For example, you and your friends, who is taller? Likewise, if you ask the question, means what you will do? You will compare with your friend in the height, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
You are more than height your friend means, then you may say, sir, I am taller, sir. Likewise, you will say. Or else what is the thing? Sir, he is taller, sir. She is taller, sir. Likewise, you are saying, no? So by comparing, that's what the thing. So criteria or the concept is comparison. So here we need to use the relation operator. Okay. For example, let me take the same example. 10, 20, 30. Three numbers are given to you. Okay. So you have to tell which among is greater. You said this 30. On what basis you are saying 30 is the greatest number? That's my question. You got my question, huh? So I need answer now from you. Yeah.
30 is greater than 10 and 20.
Yeah, very nicely said. 30, first it want to check what? Check with what? First 10 number. Okay. Of course, it is
10.
great. Okay. Then 30 is checking with 20 also. That is also 30 only greater. So among the three, 30 is greater. That's what we are saying. 30 is the greatest number among the three. Correct? No, the concept is, let me introduce the concept in this
Yes,
program.
sir.
Yeah. So now we are going to write the program. So I'm just removing all those things. It is a program for finding the greatest number program. Okay, greatest number. I just typing greatest number finder program. Okay, this is the program. Okay, now we need to get the three numbers. Can you say the query? I'm sorry, code. Can you say the code? How to get the three numbers from user? It may be whatever number. Yeah. Now time is yours. You have to say. What is the code? See, you be quiet means what it means you don't know the answer. That is the thing. So far we discussed simple statement, simple output statement, input statement, everything we dealt. You attend one exam also, you are not attend well. Even though you are not answering means what? Last program also we have seen how to get the age. This program we have to say how to get the numbers. Three numbers we need to get.
A, comma B, comma C equal to enter any three numbers.
Any that is
Tough.
one thing. First thing, very nicely said. So let me take one variable to one number. A equal to, let me get one by one variable for others also to understand.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, can you say that A equal to? So let I try with the floating, right? So far we use the integer only,
Yes,
no?
sir.
Float of, yeah, input of,
Input of
hmm,
enter a number.
okay. Enter first number. Okay. Okay, likewise we got this number. So now I closed it. Likewise, we need to get the second number. Shall we get the second number in B variable?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So I'm just copying that. So I'm again just making a change B and C. This is second number. I have to make the change. Second, and this is third. Okay. So now we got the number properly. Okay. So now we need to check the condition. If A is greater than B. Okay. First thing. If A for example, let me take, if A want to be a greater than means what is the thing? Greatest number means what is the condition? A want to be greater than B as well as what? A greater than
C.
C also. Shall we write the condition A greater than B? We are using the logical operator and A greater than C. See students, listen very carefully. This is, we are using all the operators now. We are started to use all the operators. Okay. So you didn't understand means nobody can help in this world. Please understand. That's what I'm always saying, that try to understand very properly. Sir, I didn't understand means please let you say that. Don't hesitate to say in the open forum. It is not an open forum, it's our class only. So hardly how many students? Total strength is 27. See, among that 18 only they are attending. If people are not, you are hesitate to tell anything means that means what? It is not fine. Okay. Can you say that A greater than B and A greater than C? Then we say A is greater, no? Correct, no? Hello.
Yes, sir.
So we can print what? Print, what is the thing?
A is the greatest number.
So what is the A number? Where the A value is stored? Variable A, small a. Okay. A, now I go giving the command. See, you have to learn from this. Okay. Is greatest number. We got it. So this is, I just printing it. A means here variable. First A, small letter A we are using. You know what is small letter A? It's a variable. Suppose the 30 is A. Okay, 30 is greatest among the 20 and 10. Likewise. Have you got the message? So now, if I
Yes,
want
sir.
to give another one condition, let I will teach first thing. L if, ELIF, L if, else part if. Okay, L means I already said. Else means false part. L if means second condition. First condition is false. That's what we are taking the first word. That is L. Okay. Then second condition. At least we are checking the second condition. Suppose we want to B is greater than means what? If you want to say B should be greater means what is the criteria? If I want to
B greater than
yeah,
A and
greater
B
than
greater than C.
very good, nicely said. B greater than A and B greater than C. Then we can say what? P is greater, no? Correct, no?
Yes, sir.
We got
Front of B is a greater number.
yeah. So B is the greatest number. Let me try. Let me type like that. Okay. So now for again LF. Okay. LF again we are trying LF again. C want to be greater means what?
C greater than A, C greater than B.
Very good. C greater than A and C greater than what?
B.
B. So if it is means then we can say C is greatest number. Suppose I'm asking one question. Okay. So I'm entering the number 10, 10, 20. Then what? Chances are there, no? Correct, no? Suppose the user, we are asking the user to enter three number. The user entered first number is 10, second number also 10, third number is 20. As per this condition, C is greater than A, C is greater than B. That is fine for this case. Okay, for example, the user entered 10, 10, 10. Three tens they are entered. Three numbers are same. Then what will the condition? Which case will execute? None of the case will execute, no? Have you
Yes, sir.
understand? So I given the three numbers are same number. 20, 20, 20 like this I given. Okay. So as per this condition, A greater than B, condition false. A greater than C, condition false. So first condition totally out. Second condition is what? B is also 20. B greater than A, condition false. B greater than C, condition false. Then we let you go to the third one. C greater than A and C greater than B, that condition also false. Then what will happen? We have to give the instruction, no? Just think it. Because I am only talking. You people are not started. Can you say that answer? Now I am expecting some, you have to start to think. Because if I continuously teach means you won't think it. Now it is
We
your
have to
turn.
give one more instruction, sir.
Yeah, please. That's I needed. Yeah, can you say the instruction, please? If it is wrong, also
If
nothing wrong. Yeah, LF.
A equal to B equal to C, print of you entered three equal numbers.
Nicely said. Nicely said. What's your name?
Velavan, sir.
Very good. See how he is saying A equal to B equal to C. In this condition, what is the thing? Print. What is the thing? Hello.
You entered three equal numbers.
You entered. Sorry. Entered same number. Say equal. That is same number. No. Same equal number.
Yes, sir.
Equal numbers. Okay, fine. That is fine. Suppose I am giving another one condition. Okay. A is that I will say one thing. A is 10. B is 20. C is 20. Which among is greater? Then what will be printed? A, just I'm repeating, you have to think. A value is 10 pa. Okay. B value is 20. C value also 20. Then which condition, which print statement will execute? The last condition also not equal. A greater than B, condition false. So A is completely less. B greater than A, of course true. B greater than C, false, no? The second statement. So and means both
Yes,
should
sir.
be true. So second statement also fail. Okay. C greater than A, condition true because C is 20, A is 10. So C greater than A only, correct. But uncondition is what? And means both the condition to be true, no? That's what the meaning, no?
Yes,
C
sir.
greater than B. C is greater than B. C also 20, B also 20. That means what? In this case, if it is means. That condition also fail. Then it will check the last condition. A equal to B equal to C. Both, whether three numbers are equal, B and C only equal. A is not equal to B, no? Then what happen in this case? What will happen in this case? That's what I'm expecting. Now think it. What about remaining people? You people are be quiet, huh? Velavan only answering. Pavitra, Harinis, all the Harinis, Balaji. What about Aditya, Gokul, Prasant? What are you doing? Are you lying on the bed and just watching the class? Is it so? Prasant and Sudan.
No, sir.
Okay, then what will be the condition? Just start to think it. What about Priyanka? Priyanka, what about you? Do you have any idea? Ram Tilak voice, I didn't so far I didn't hear. What about him? Rajesh, Reshma, what about remaining people? Mageshwari, Mridula and all not at all talking, huh? I mean, you are not speaking. Srisha, what happened to you? Yes, children, come on. Just to tell that whether your opinion, okay, whether it's no need to be right, no. So first time you are trying, if it is wrong, nothing will be wrong. If you're saying the wrong answer means that's what I'm expecting. Just open up. Okay, sir. In this condition, how will you check? That's my question. Try to understand, pa. I'm not forcing you how to tell only the right answer. I won't expect. Nobody will expect like that. Just start to think. If you be quiet,
Sir,
means yeah.
Elif,
Elif, pa.
Elif,
One.
Elif.
Yeah, Elif. What
A
condition?
not equal to B equal to C.
Elif, A. Sorry, Elif, no. Yeah, Elif. A
Not equal to B
not equal to B.
equal to C.
Then means what will happen? How it is, man? Not equal to B. I didn't get your point. That is, it may be right. Can you say repeat again? Not equal to
And
B.
B equal to C.
That means what you are coming to tell? B and C are equal.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Then what about A? Suppose, okay, I what to the given situation you handle it. Suppose A, B are same number. C is smaller number. Then in this case, have you got
A
it?
equal to B, B not equal to C.
Nicely said. Okay, relevant and one more girl. That's what. It's fine to hear from you, dear children. Very nice. But I will teach one more concept to you. Very nicely you thinking. See, that's what you started to think. A equal to B. Okay, R. We are giving R. R operator is there, no, one of the logical operator, and R not.
Yes, sir.
Have you got it? No. So that's what we are using. First time we are using. So that's what. Even though you are very nicely you think. I really appreciate you. Two people, both the people. Good. A equal to B. R means anyone. Okay. Or else B equal to C. Okay. R. What is the thing?
A equal to C.
A equal to C. Then we can say what? You entered both the numbers are same. Likewise, also we can give the condition. That's I'm just meaning you. I'm just telling one more chance. But the program want to finally find the which among the greatest means, as you said, that will be the find. Okay. So what is the thing? A. Then we need to write the condition more. A. Yeah. Can you say that? A greater than B. And what is the thing? B not equal to C. Then means what? Then what is the condition? A is greater than B. Suppose I am giving A is 30. Okay. Then B is 20, C is 20. Then what is the thing? A greater than B, and let me see if you give this condition also. Suppose B equal to C means both the numbers are same means. Then we can print what? Hello.
A is the greatest number.
Greater than, very good. So what is A is greatest number? Let me print this dialog. Okay. Or else I will teach this is one way, or else I will give the another way also. So many ways are there to write the program. Okay. Okay, this is fine. So I'm just giving this one. Okay, I will teach another one method also. Many methods are there. Okay. Oh, sorry, 1 minute. Yeah. Now okay. Then another elif. Suppose B is smallest number, A and C are equal number means. Elif, can you say? Suppose B is the greater number.
B greater than A
B greater than A. And
and A equal to C.
A equal to C means which number is bigger?
B is the greatest number.
B is the
very,
big.
very good, very good. Nicely said. In this case, B is great. And then let you say another one condition. LF,
C greater than
same C greater than what?
A.
D.
Anyone you
A.
talk.
A, sir.
Okay, let it try A. Okay, C greater than A. Okay, then fine. And
A equal to B.
A equal to B. If it is, sorry, one more equal, no? A equal to B. In this case, what is the thing? C is,
C is greater.
yeah, very good. C is greatest number. Superb. Nicely said. 1 minute. Yeah. So this was the program. Okay. Have you got it? Have you understood this one? So let me run this. Let you
Yes,
give.
sir.
It is
Sir,
a trial
print
first.
of C.
Sir, B is it?
Oh,
This C, sir.
yeah, correct. Nicely said. Good. Okay. Now we will save this program. Now I'm executing this program. Can you say any number? Any number can you say? First number, equal number, say
10.
okay, 10. Okay. B number, second number.
45.
45. Okay, good. And third number,
10.1.
80.
10.1. Okay, very good. So I just given. So 45 is greatest number. Superb, no? So let me try again the same program. 1 minute. Okay. I'm running again. Let me give the three numbers are same. Okay. In this case, what will happen? Let me listen it. Okay. Akshaya, unmute your video, ma. Let us stop your video. Okay, fine. See, I'm just giving 10. B number, second number also 10, and third number also 10. Then see, you entered same equal numbers. Correct, no? The program is finding properly, no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Let me try this again one more time. We are running it. Okay. So A is 10, B is 20. Okay, C is 20. Then nothing. See, in this case, nothing to print. So we didn't give the proper condition. So A is 10, B is 20, C is 20. Sorry, B means I'm saying second number is 20, third number is 20. So in this case, why it is not working? So which is to be greater number?
A.
How A?
Both B and C's.
See, that's what I'm expecting. So, for example, we are giving a task to the robot. Okay, likewise, you just think it for whatever which is giving a more curiosity, which is giving you more attractive to more just interact with the program, just to take that concept. For example, how you will give the instruction? Oh, greatest alone I am spelling wrongly. You can see GREA. Not an issue. Okay. Can you say that? So in this case, what is the condition? See, it's nothing. It is showing no, the program is wrong. It's not completed. Program is correct, but program is
Yes,
not perfect. No, so we need to write a perfect program. This is the task today. See, you started to think. Yes. Now can you say? Let I close this one. Yeah. Can you say this now? How to create a condition? Yes. See, in this first thing we made it A is to be greater means A want to be greater than B greater than C. First condition, okay. If B want to be greatest means it should be greater than A greater than C. Second condition, okay. C to be greatest means C should be greater than A and C should be greater than B. That's okay. Okay. If we enter the same number means it is fine. All the numbers are A equal to B equal to C means good. Okay. Then we are given what is the thing? A greater than B and B equal to C means then A is greater. Fine. So B and C are same number, equal means. But B is greater than means then we are saying A is greater. So that is one condition. If B is greater and if A and C are common, similar number means okay. Okay. In our case, what we entered? Hello.
A is smaller and B and C are greater.
See, then how to write the condition? Just think it. That's what I needed.
L if
Hmm.
B
You
greater
enter
than
two
A.
equal.
B already we written, no? B greater than A. Actually, in our things, what? Yes, can you say that? Yeah.
B
You
greater
enter
than A.
B. That's what we typed, no man. Okay, let I type. B greater than A. Then that's already we typed, no? The
And
second
B
line.
equal to C.
Yeah, and
Sir, and B equal to C.
B equal to C means. Then this condition.
Print of
Yeah. Print
both
of.
B and C are
Very good. So B and C are equal, no? So I'm just typing
yes, sir.
B. Okay. Typing and again I'm saying C. Okay. Again equal. Okay. This is the thing, no?
Yes, sir.
Fine. One
Yes,
minute.
sir.
Yeah. So this is the thing. Okay. Now another case. Another case. Suppose we given B is okay. Another thing.
A greater than B.
Just a minute. L if A greater than B.
Greater than B.
And
And A equal to C.
A equal to C means then we have to type what?
A and C are equal.
A and C are equal. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, A and C are equal. Then B and C are equal, A and C are equal. Then which is missed?
C.
C and A.
A and B.
A and B. A and B. Then what is the condition? Can you say the condition? LF.
C greater than A.
Which one? C greater than A.
And A
And
equal to B.
A. Then how, man? The condition will not satisfy, no? It's wrong, no?
A equal to B.
A equal to C greater than A. So C is greater, no?
Yes, sir.
Then how would be second condition always
C
fail,
equal to
no?
B. C.
C
Yes, sir.
equal to B means then what is the thing? What is the
C and
principle?
B are equal.
C and B are equal.
B
Principle
are equal.
B and C are equal. Good. Have you got it? Have you
Yes, sir.
understand? Yeah.
Yes.
See, for just giving a 3 number and finding among that, we have to write like that because we can short this line also. That I will teach it later. Okay, we can very easily we can find out the things. Okay, let me save this program. I'm executing now. Let you say this any number. Shall we enter the A10, B10, C20? Okay, so it's finding 20 is the greatest number. Correct? No? Shall we execute again? Can
Yes,
you
sir.
take a trial? Yeah. What I have to type for now? It's tried for you. I mean, you can tell the any number. Yeah. First
50,
number
50, 30.
50. Yeah, that's you said the answer, but in between it was interrupted. Yes, 50, 50 we given, and the third one. Yeah. Can you say the third number?
30, sir.
20.
20. Okay, good. So now, see, we didn't complete the program. See, this is the programming. It's very interesting, no? It's you should not fed up it. Oh, sir, this also we fail. It's not. You should not fed up for anything. You are learning many things from the programming techniques. So what is the mistake we have done? So A and B are equal, but C is lesser than. Then what it want to say? So that's what we didn't make the. Have we made the condition A and B are equal? Hello.
No, sir.
Then here we have to write one more condition, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It is very interesting, no? Are you feeling interesting or sir like this you are thinking?
Interesting, sir.
Very nice. Okay, let me write the program. Yeah. Can you say the things? LF again. What we given? You can see this A and B are, A and B are same. C is lesser than, no? So what is the thing? A greater than C, correct?
C.
And Yeah.
B.
A equal to B or B equal to, I mean, double equal to, I'm saying, whatever thing. Yeah. Now, what is the thing? A and B are equal, right? That statement, no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. The program is not easy, but it is very interesting. It is easy only, but whenever we have the interest, that is very important. Yeah. You know. Okay. Let me try this again. One, shall we try this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now we will check whether we made a proper program or not. Okay. Okay. I'm running again. You can see. Yeah. Can you say that 50 again 50 then 30? So 50 50, that is A and B are equal. Fine. It is correctly it is given. Okay. Let me have another given another instance. I'm again running it. Can you say that
20,
20, 50 again?
30.
Oh, sorry, pa. I just enter. We will go for it. So in this case, it want to say B and C are equal. Yeah, it's exactly it's showing. Superb. Yeah, now it's your turn. I'm so sorry for that. Yeah, now you can say that. What I have to type? Yes, ma. You're about to say something. I was interrupted.
80,
80. Hmm. Hmm.
75,
75.
80.
80. Superb. So it's currently showing no A and C are equal. That is, both the 80s are equal. Correct. Instead of number, we can give
Yes,
A
sir.
and B are equal. Likewise, we can make a whatever we like to print it. Let me print it. Not an issue. It's correctly finding the greatest number. Can anyone have a try? This work, no, this is called as debugging. You know, one post is there in IT field, debugger. Okay, I mean, that person work is completely. They want to tester. You know, tester, or debugger. That name is. Everyone will get more fear about the tester because who the person who is testing all the codes in in the IT field. If you anybody working in IT industry, your siblings, I mean your elder brother or sister or anybody else means you can ask it. See, the programmer will type the code. Okay, the tester will question as he likes. Okay, so he will test in all the conditions. Okay, so finally the code is worked properly means then the code will be accepted. Then the credit is goes to programmer. Okay, now you are a programmer, you are a tester. Everybody, you are everything is you only. Okay, let me run. Shall we run one more? Okay, can you say any one test? That is be given A, B are equal, C is different, B, C are equal, A is different, smaller, and A, C are equal, and B is smallest. Can you say another one instance? Different thing. Hello, hello. What happened? Are you here? You people are only
Yes,
this.
sir.
Yeah, you are here. But tell the number, pa. That's what I need. Can you see the difference?
25.
Okay, just you want to test in proper manner. That's what I need. 25. Let me enter for A value. Okay, then B value don't say the same
25.
because we already checked that one. You can see the first one 50, 50, 30. Shall we try it is A is lesser than A is less number also we checked. Okay, which is
Yes, sir.
C less also we checked. Okay, fine. Can you check anyone? Can you give 0 and minus shall we give minus 45? Hello, this instance we didn't check no
Yes, sir.
10. Give 1. Okay, so it's correctly showing 1 is greatest number no 0 minus
Yes, sir.
45 1. It's properly working, isn't it? I hope that this will be the proper program. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So what about remaining? Only Velavan is answering, and what about remaining children? The people are Balaji. Say something about the program. Mageshwari, Srisha. Srisha initially was involved in it, but nowadays I don't know what happened to her. Hmm? Pavitra is okay. Good. What about remaining? Harnistis. All the Harnistis not at all opening your mouth. Huh? Why? What happened to you? Harnisti, JN. Again, one more Harnisti and Harni Suresh. Hmm. Priyanka. What happened? Rajesh. Bioman. Can you say that? Nowadays, very rare to hear your voice, man. What happened? Reshma, what about you? Okay, I will tell that. I'm asking Ipan, but you people are be as you like it. Huh? I don't know. What's the response you are giving to the teacher? I will just think about you. Okay, so I will just cut short this some of the things. So I will just giving that this type of thing. A is greatest means you can see R. I'm just cut shorting this one. I'm copying this code. Okay, I'm just copying. A is greater than no. I'm here R. Okay, I'm pasting this one. Okay, so one code will be we can omit it. A greater than B code. Okay, this we can delete it.
Yes, sir.
Okay, again I'm copying this one. B is greater no. So in this case also I'm just copying this code. I'm just cut here and I'm pasting R this one. Okay, now B is
Yes,
greater.
sir.
So we can avoid this code. See, number of lines will be avoided. That's what the main concept is. We should avoid the number of lines. Short, how we can write, that is short and sweet we have to write. Okay, R, then we are pasting this, correct? So C is now greatest number. Are you understanding what is the meaning of
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
good, good. So now I'm saving this. Let me try this one. Same 1 minute, Paulette. I will just fill this program. I will rerun it. Okay. Yeah, because already we typed many number. Okay, now let me check any number. Can you say any one number? Any numbers? Hello.
20
20.
minus 20
Minus 20. Good. Good try.
minus 20.
Minus 20. Superb. Superb. 20 is greatest number. It's clearly showing. Correct, no?
Yes, sir.
Correct. Superb. It's nicely showing. Yeah, fine. Shall we have another try? Do anybody like to try?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, fine. Can you say that?
90.
90, Amma. 90.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, 90. Yeah, 90.
Minus 10.
Minus 10.
90.
Plus 90. That is again 90.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, fine. So 90 and 90 both are equal, no? So it's clearly showing. 90.
Yes, sir.
So 90 and 90 equal. It is greatest. 90 is equal. So that is greatest. Likewise, we can add the message also. 90, both the numbers A and B are equal, or whatever number are equal. So it is the greatest. Shall we add the word also? Greatest. Okay. Fine. Fine.
Yes, sir.
Okay. That is our print statement only, equal. Then we will add one more message, comma, or else equal, greatest, equal, and both are, both are equal. Be given A and B, A and C are equal, and greater among, isn't it? Greater number. Shall we write like that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Greater number. Numbers shall we write, because both two numbers are there, no? Okay, let me copy this code and we will pasting like all those things. Again quote that I close the quote. Okay, that's all. Now the problem is solved. So let me give one space. Yeah, fine. So then we made a proper program, I think. So you can take the screenshot of the program now. You can take the screenshot. So this is the what is the thing? Program to find the greatest among the three numbers. Okay. So I will give one task to you. Okay. So can you make a program to find the smallest among the three numbers? We have to get the three number, but instead of greatest, we have to find what? Smallest among the three numbers. Okay. Then you have to send the screenshot.
Yes, sir.
Everyone want to send the screenshot. Okay, today. So you have to test before you send me the screenshot. You can check yourself. By giving a, see how we tested, no? By giving a different numbers. Both the numbers are, all the numbers are same. Any two numbers are equal. Okay, greater than manner, less than manner. Likewise, we tested in all the ups and down completely. We made a test. Likewise, you also done
Yes,
that.
sir.
Once you succeed means then you send the screenshot. Okay, if it is not means then you try
Yes,
it.
sir.
That's what. Don't fed up with the one instance or two. So, sir, it's not showing properly, sir. It's showing errors, sir. Don't worry about it. Just think that what you made the error. Okay. Just start to think. That's what I'm coming to tell. Okay. So, likewise, you need more practice. That's what, dear children, I am saying. So far, if you want to become a programmer, definitely you have to learn it. Okay. No other goal. There is no option for that. Okay. Anyhow, you have to learn it. You have to practice more that. Okay. So, shall you try this today? Can you have a try today evening? So after completing
sir. Yes, sir.
today's homework you are having, no? So once you completed the remaining thing, just have a try. First you write in the notebook and you are having the desktop or any PC means let you try directly. Or else if you have the phone and a Pyroid app, I already said no. So using that app, you can try that and send the screenshot. Okay. If you are trying in computer, just take a photo and send to me in WhatsApp. Once you done properly means, okay. Keep on trying it. Okay, children, very nice time with you. I hope that today we'll discuss many program, voter ID program and greatest. This was the we have done more practice it. It will give some basic idea, no, about ELF statement. Correct, no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes,
So
sir.
I hope that you will thoroughly know that about the ELF statement you completed. Okay, all the ELF statements you learn it. I think so. Is that so? So if anybody asking to try in else condition, sorry, if condition means you will thorough it. Okay. Tomorrow also, I mean, Monday I'm saying. Monday also we will have a more try with that. Okay, with the if conditions. Once you get the familiar about the if condition, let me go to the iteration statement. Now we are dealing with the selection statement. Yes, dear children, very nice time with you. See you all on Monday. Thank you to all.
Thank
Thank
you,
you,
sir.
sir.
Thank you so much.